my name is Barbara and I work with Refugee 613. As you may know, the rate of COVID-19 infections is rising quickly in many parts of Ontario. So we're making this short video to share the new rules and regulations that were announced this afternoon on October 9th by the Premier. Effective Saturday, October 10th at midnight, special measures are being introduced in the Ottawa, Peel, and Toronto, where the numbers of COVID-19 cases are rising faster than other parts of the province. These new measures include reducing limits for social gatherings and organized public events. We're being asked to limit our gatherings to a maximum of 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors where physical distancing is possible and can be maintained. These two limits cannot be combined for an indoor-outdoor event. Indoor food and drink services is prohibited in restaurants, bars, and other food and drink establishments, including nightclubs and food courts and malls. Starting October 10th, the following establishments will be closed. Indoor gyms and fitness centers, so for example, spaces that offer exercise classes and weight and exercise rooms are now closed. Casinos, bingo halls, and other gaming establishments. Indoor cinemas, performing arts centers and venues, spectator areas at racing venues, interactive exhibits and exhibits with high risk of personal contact in museums, for example, galleries, zoos, science centers, landmarks, etc. Personal care services where face coverings must be removed for service are now prohibited. So that would be a makeup application or beard trimming. Those are now prohibited. The government has reduced the capacity limits for certain situations. This includes tours and guide services, and they are now limited to 10 people indoor and 25 people outdoors. Real estate open houses are now limited to 10 people indoors where physical distancing can be maintained. In-person teaching and instructions, for example, a cooking class, are now limited to 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors. This doesn't apply to schools, childcare centers, universities, colleges of applied arts and technology, private career center colleges, the Ontario Police College, etc. Meeting and event spaces are now also limited to 10 people inside and 25 people outdoors. And we are asked to limit team sports to training sessions, so no games or scrimmages. Schools, childcare centers, and places of worship will remain open and must continue to follow public health measures that are in place. The new rules do not apply to before school and after school programs, which will remain open. Wedding receptions that were scheduled for this weekend may proceed under existing public health rules. New rules will start applying to wedding receptions as of midnight on Tuesday, October 13th, including the new gathering limits of 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors at event spaces. It's really important to follow previous advice from public health officials. So limiting the trips you make outside of your home. Don't go out unless it's for an essential purpose, such as work, where work at home is not possible, school, grocery shopping, medical appointments, and outdoor healthy physical activity. Stay at least 2 meters away from people who are not in your household or part of your household. When it's difficult to stay 2 meters apart, wear face covering. Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly, and also follow the new rules. Let's really do our best to keep each other safe. Please share this video with your friends and family, and thank you for listening.